Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. In our considered opinion, the High Court erred in dismissing the second appeal in limine on the ground that it did not evolve any substantial question of law. Stop. In our view, the appeal did involve substantial question of law within the meaning of section 100 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, hereinafter referred to as the Code, and therefore it should have been admitted for final hearing on the substantial question of law arising in the case stanza. It is not in dispute that the defendants respondents filed one document, Exhibit A, Annexure P1 of SLP. Stop. This document was relied on and appreciated by the two courts below for deciding the rights of the parties. Stop. The trial court decreed the suit and the first appellate court reversed it on appreciating the evidence including Exhibit A stanza. It is a settled principle of law that interpretation of any document, including its contents or its admissibility in evidence or its effect on the rights of the parties to the lease, constitutes a substantial question of law within the meaning of section 100 of the Code. Stop. Whenever such question arises in the second appeal at the instance of the appellant, it deserves admission on framing appropriate substantial question on such questions to enable the High Court to decide the appeal on merits by party stanza. In this case, it was all the more reason for the High Court to have admitted the appellant's second appeal because the trial court and the first appellate court had taken into consideration the document Exhibit A for deciding the lease involved in the case. Stop. In the light of the foregoing discussion, we cannot concur with the reasoning and the conclusion arrived at by the High Court, as in our view it wrongly dismissed appellant's second appeal in limine stanza. In other words, what the High Court ought to have done at the time of hearing the second appeal on the question of admission by framing substantial question of law arising in the case, the said exercise now we have to do it while disposing of this appeal. Stop. In our view, the following substantial questions of law arise in the second appeal within the meaning of section 100 of the Code for its decision stanza. Whether findings recorded by the first appellate court on Exhibit A for allowing the defendant's first appeal and in consequence reversing the judgment decree of the trial court is legally and factually sustainable? Question mark. What is the true nature of Exhibit A? Question mark. Can it be termed as partition deed or a document recognizing a factum of partition already effected between the parties in relation to the shoot land? Question mark stanza. Whether Exhibit A binds the plaintiffs and if so, how and to what extent? Question mark. Whether Exhibit A requires registration and if so, its effect? Question mark. Since Exhibit A was exhibited in evidence without any objection, whether any objection about its admissibility or legality can now be raised by the appellants in second appeal, and if so, its effect? Question mark. In view of the foregoing discussion, the appeal succeeds and is allowed. Stop. Impugned judgment is set aside. Full stop. Over.